This is my current setup. As you can see, I have two monitors horizontally set up, and I want to make more space, and I also want to add a 32-inch TV. This TV here, I'll show you it in a moment. It's just a regular TV. I think I might have paid $59 for it or less on special at Best Buy. So my view right now is horizontal, and to make more space, I want to put in a vertical stand. I'm going to have a 32-inch stand at the bottom and a 24. This is a 24-inch monitors. I'm going to just use one of them, probably this one here, because I already set up what I have to set up. One of the issues I have with these monitors is that they are not VESA compliant. They don't have the holes in the back. So I had to buy an adapter. So I purchased this adapter here, which holds the monitor like this, and allows me to put a VESA adapter so that I can mount it. So I already did an unboxing on this. I did another video showing all the details as to what comes in the box for both of these items, because this is separate. This comes with the vertical stand. This came with the to make the monitor VESA compliant, to be able to use a VESA mount with the monitor that doesn't have the little holes, so that you can put a VESA. You can mount the monitor onto the VESA adapter. So I had to do that. So since I set it up here, this will be my screen that I'm going to use. This will be at the top. At the bottom will be the 32-inch TV, and it's going to be vertical. This is the actual vertical stand, as you can see. I measured the stand, and it stands at 32 inches from here, from the desk all the way up. It stands at 32 inches all the way up here. 32 inches in height. This is the adapter that comes with it, the VESA adapter, and we'll be mounting it onto here somewhere, and like that. It'll sit like that. Pretty cool. All information below, the price, the link to the website to purchase the item. Everything I purchased, the two items, this and the adapter. This is a separate option. I think it came out to the same price. I got two of them. They were about $15 each. So this ran about $30. I got two of them, $15 this ran for. And the vertical adapter ran me about $30 as well. So let me take a quick picture just to show you a before and then an after. This is the 32-inch TV. It is a, what is that? Insignia. Yeah, so it definitely was from Best Buy. And I'm gonna be using that as the bottom screen. So again, I'm switching this out from horizontal view. I'm gonna use this monitor for the top monitor, and this monitor I'm going to store for future if I need, if this one goes bad or my daughter's goes bad. She uses a 24-inch monitor as well. So I'll put it away in the closet. I'm gonna put a 32-inch at the bottom. So this will be the 32-inch TV / monitor I will be using. It's an Insignia brand, so it's definitely a Best Buy brand. Cost me probably around $50 or so, I'm not sure. And let me just double check to make sure it's VESA compatible, and it is. And the adapter will fit just fine. And there it is. There it is. There it is. Perfect. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is actually setting up the 32-inch TV. Again, I'm going to switch this to vertical. Let me just remove everything. I know you don't want to watch all that. I'll show you some stuff. So let me put the adapter, screw that on, and get that connected. Again, all the stuff I'm using, the links will be below. So the screws for the VESA mount to be mounted to the back of the monitor was provided by the vertical stand. So according to the instructions, that's what I have to do. I have to hook up the VESA mount to the back of the monitor. So I'm going to use D to see if, I'm sorry, B. And let me just cut a little hole here so I can get this screw out of here. I think that should fit. Let me see. Nope, it's not fitting this monitor at all. I guess it's going to depend on which monitor you use. So this is the second set of Bs from the, there's no number on here, but this is the second set. You have two sets, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D as well. So I guess it depends on the size that you need. So I think this should be different and this should fit. So let me get one of these out of here to see if this will work. All right, I got one out. Let me see if it'll work. None of these screws fit. The TV. Doesn't work. I'll figure something else out. Okay, I'm going to try A because maybe B is too thick. And try A. This depends on which one you're going to use. It depends on your monitor, which size you're going to use. All right, so I got the small one out from A. Perfect. Fits perfectly. Should I use, okay, it all came out. Should I use the washer? Yes. Let me use the washer on E. These are all screws and washers that are provided to you by the vertical stand. Perfect. Works perfectly. And the last one I'm putting in. All good. Now let's put it on the stand. I'm gonna have to remove the legs. Let me remove the legs. Remove both legs. It's just a set of 4 screws or 2 screws each. That was easy. Put this to the side. Okay, let's put it on the stand. So I'm gonna put it at the lowest point. Pick up the TV and see what's the lowest point I can bring it to. I don't want to make it too high. Now I could put it right on the first one, I believe. So I mounted it at the lowest point, the TV, the 32-inch, and now I'm going to put the 24-inch on top. So this is how it's going to look. 32-inch at the bottom, 24-inch on top. I think it's gonna work. I like it. I put it 1 notch down. So I put the lowest notch on the bottom one and 1 notch down from the top one. Okay, I'm done. This is my final setup. I like it. I really, really like it. It's all set up. Everything's perfect. My mouse, as you can see, is here. I can go up here, here. And my third screen, which is here. As you can see, my mouse moving around. So, all done. Pretty cool. Love it. Have no complaints. I didn't use the C and D adapters because I'm not running a lot of wires in between. This is for the wire mount, and this is to hold it in place. Because I want to be able to just move the monitors at will. I'm just gonna not use them, but it's up to you to use them. They go in the back here to just keep it in place, to keep it from coming out. But I've decided not to use them, and I think they're working very well. All right, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye now.